Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Sea of Thieves theme on Piano Easy Guide. Start by locating middle C and positioning your right hand with relaxed wrists and curved fingers. Break the melody into 4-bar sections and learn each section hands separately. Use a metronome set between 60 and 80 BPM and increase speed only after accuracy feels natural. Focus on smooth legato and consistent rhythm for a sea shanty feel. Begin by humming the Sea of Thieves melody to capture its cadence and phrasing, then map those phrases onto the keyboard. Practice each short phrase repeatedly, focusing on smooth transitions and consistent fingerings using numbers 1 through 5. Keep dynamics gentle on the rising lines and a touch stronger on resolved notes. Record yourself occasionally to hear phrasing and timing, then adjust tempo and touch for a more authentic, shanty-like performance. For the left hand, use simple broken chords and root fifth patterns to support the melody without crowding it. Maintain a steady pulse with quarter or eighth notes to emulate a nautical rhythm that drives the tune forward. Keep your left hand volume slightly softer than the melody so the primary theme stands out. Practice hands separately, then combine slowly, adjusting balance and articulation until both hands feel cohesive and expressive.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.